How to contact Facebook support. Now, if you contact Facebook support, that means you need help for something. You can pretty much report a problem on here, or you can just tell them that they have a bug on this system. Totally, that means you want to ask for help on Facebook support so that they can fix something that you're in trouble with. Now, all you have to do in order for you to contact Facebook support is to go to your main menu right here and then scroll down until you find Help and Support. All you have to do is to click on that, and once you click on that, you will be able to see various options such as Help Center, which means that you can ask for their help in order for you to locate something on your Facebook account. Support Inbox, that means that every report that you have gotten on your account. Report a problem means that you can contact Facebook support directly. If you click on that, you will be able to see that you can ask for help to Facebook support in order for them to fix the issue faster. So all you have to do is to tap on OK right here and shake your phone. Now all you have to do next is to tap on Report Problem right here. And now you can pretty much describe the issue that you are getting as to why you want to contact Facebook support. So that's how to contact Facebook support. Hope we help.